The earthquake in Marrakesh, Safi, Morocco last September killed nearly 3,000 people, with almost 6,000 more injured. The country is still picking up the pieces from one of the deadliest earthquakes in decades. An article in Nature reports that the main cause of the high death toll was not the earthquake itself, but the infrastructure. Most of the houses were not earthquake-proof. But what makes a house earthquake-proof? First, let's back up a bit. Earthquakes are caused by shifting in tectonic plates along intersections called fault lines. Plates are constantly moving, but stress between two plates can build up, causing energy to burst from the fault line, which causes an earthquake. The Marrakesh-Safi region is near the Eurasian-African plate intersection. Energy builds around the fault lines, which built up to the earthquake. There are three different ways tectonic plates can rub together. Divergent is when the plates move away from each other. Convergent is when the plates move towards each other, and transform are when the plates rub against each other. According to scientists, it was not only the severity of the earthquake that caused the high death toll, but also the infrastructure in the region. The houses in the region the earthquake hit are mostly made of mud, which crumbles easily during seismic events. Houses made to sustain quakes have some flexibility, which allows them to bend a little bit when the ground is shaking. They're made with wood, which is naturally flexible. Houses made from stone or clay can be supported by metal bars. In Canada, houses along fault lines are retrofitted to withstand shaking. The walls are braced with plywood. Crawl spaces, the spacious area under a house, are bolted to the foundations. Homes can also be built with friction dampers. Friction dampers are diagonal braces on a building that will absorb seismic shock. This is similar to standing with your feet apart to keep yourself from falling on a moving train. In Morocco, King Mohammed VI pledged $12 billion to rebuild the affected areas so that the infrastructure can withstand future earthquakes.